Okay, good morning. I'm Dr. Suparjo from School of Medical Sciences, University Science Malaysia. So today I'm going to show you how to edit a photo micrograph using PowerPoint. So before we start, would like to highlight that I'm using the Office 365 version of Microsoft PowerPoint. So maybe you will have you should have if you are trying to use it, so you can use the latest version of Microsoft PowerPoint from of Office 365. So before we start, first of all, we need to have we need to have uh, to get our work started. So add in the photo micrograph that you like to edit. So I will choose this photo micrograph here. So this photo micrograph was taken using Huawei Mate 20 and standard aspect ratio, so it will be a bit rectangular shape. So by this, you can first crop it like we usually do. So we crop it. I will crop it into a square, sort of square shapes for easier to demonstrate it. But you can crop it in any kind of shape you would like, depends. So we will end up with a picture like this. So to edit this photo micrograph, you first of all you need to highlight it, because you see, if you don't highlight the or you don't select the photo micrograph, the picture, you won't see any tab to edit the picture. So after you select the picture, there will be a tab saying that a picture format up here. So this tab will allow you to access the various function, various tools to edit your photo. What I usually do, I will change the color tone, because usually when I took um, photo micrograph using my smartphones, the pictures tend to be a little bit warmer. That means it will be a bit yellowish or orange in color, a bit. So I would like to change it to a more cooler tone, so it will be more bluish in color, like so. So after I change the color tone, and then I will also adjust the brightness, because sometimes the picture is a bit uh, dark or not that bright. So with this, I will fix the brightness up to plus 20%, and contrast I will maintain it at 0%, so it will have the neutral contrast with increased brightness. When you had already satisfied with the images, you can just you need to you want to save it, right? So when you wanted to save the image or photo micrograph, there are a few options. You can save it first into a PowerPoint presentation format, PPT X, or and then you save another copy as a JPEG or in any images slide. So you will end up a image with a slide like this, and then you have to crop it back. But to 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 help you um, cut the trouble, to make it more easier, you can just right click on the image and save it as a picture. So then it will open a windows like this. You can put your name, so I will put edit 01. So you can save it as any images that you like. You can save it as GIF, JPEG, PNG, TIFF, and other supported image, but usually I will choose PNG, and then you can save it. Okay, then you go to the folder that you saved the image previously. You can have double click it, and voila, here are the image. So it's a bit better compared to the previous, the the original. This is the original. It's a bit orange in color and have a circle with a black backgrounds. So for the edited image is a more better. You can see clearly this is macrophages, some tingible body macrophages, and all of the lymphocytes cells in there. And one more thing, if you like to share your image, for example, you like to share your image on the social media, you might want to put a watermark to just to show that the image is yours. So what you can do is either you can click insert here, you can insert a text box. This is just a regular kind of fonts, or you can put it word art. So in word art you can choose either one. So I will start with black first. I will just put on my name like so, and then you can adjust it as accordingly. So you can change it either in whatever your desire. But for me, let's just say we try with blue because I like blue. So it's a blue color. All right. So to save this photo micrograph with a watermark, so first you need to do is you need to highlight both the images and also the text. Means you have to select all, and then what you need to do is you need to group it together first, so that the it will be just a one whole images. Then you can save it as a picture. So the computer will interpret that this is the PowerPoint program will interpret it as both the image and also the text is from one picture, as a one picture. So yeah, when you save it, I put edit O2 again PNG. When you save it, then it will save together with the watermark. So when you look at your folder, so this picture will have your watermark on imprint on it. So if you share it on the social media, you wanted to share interesting cases or interesting findings on your photo micrograph, then you just wanted to make sure that everybody know that this is your picture, or you have taken the picture. So you can put watermark here and then post it to the social media. And by that, I think I show you almost all the tips and tricks in editing the photo micrograph using PowerPoint. Just one more thing, this method is not exclusively able to use on the just photo micrograph. Any photograph that you need to do, you can do it this way. So by that, thank you and have a nice day.